Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, cannot access shared folders between Windows computers. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system folder. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand control. Click and expand LSA folder. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type LM compatibility level. Double-click change the value to 1. Close and exit registry. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.